In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Getaround app not working. So if your Getaround application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because of the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're already connected to a stable internet connection but still your application is not working, in that case there might be bugs in the application. So in order to fix the bugs, what you have to do is simply update the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Getaround app. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Getaround and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After your application is updated, your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of this application. For that, open the app library and find the application for Getaround. Long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. Try using the application and your problem will be solved and your application will start working. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. Like this, you'll be able to fix Getaround application not working. Thank you for watching.